Okay, in today's video, I'm giving my younger sister's dining room a stylish upgrade with a DIY wooden slate accent wall. Yes, it's modern. Okay, she actually fell in love with a bedroom video we did in January in the winter time. So she requested that I help her out. And this modern touch, fam, adds warmth and texture to any space. And to elevate the look even more, I'm decorating the area with a sleek bar cart and a beautiful wall hanging. I'm so excited to show you guys the finished look, transformation, and also share helpful tips with you to achieve a highly end look in any budget. Okay, all right, welcome back to the channel, family. A very big shout out to my ride or die returning subscribers, and to my new subbies. I thank you all so much for stopping by. On this channel, we share beautiful budget-friendly ideas that bring luxury and excuse me, and personality to every corner of your space. So whether you are styling a cozy living room, revamping a bathroom, or giving your dining area a seasonal refresh, you will find easy DIY projects and practical tips to help you create a home you truly love. So let's get started. So with the help of my brother-in-law, we are obviously adhering the liquid nail at the back of the wooden slate. I'm just about to start the caulking. The tool was hardly pushed in and the bottom of the nail glue came apart, and so would be smearing like you see us do. All right, first slate of 3 is done, and we are attaching to the wall. I had all my nephews and nieces help. Oh, it was like a all hands on deck affair. I loved it. All right, so first one adhered and moving on to the next. Okay, so let's enjoy some music as we continue with the process. Thank you.
Take this show on the road. Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. Time to pull a drop top out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. We've been keeping it in the house. Netflix and chillin', I GDM'in', yeah. Didn't wanna share my love till I found someone I'm sure of. Young and untamed, I've been out of range, keeping it low, but I wanna be bold with it.
So after about an hour and a half, all 3 wooden slates are mounted, but the bottom wasn't covered. That was because the closest Home Depot only had 3 slate left. So my family will go later and get one more just to fix the bottom part. But we won't be deterred, so we will just move on to finish decorating the space, making it look gorgeous.
Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post.
Okay, so I'm drilling the nail to mount the mirror, and brother-in-law will help fix the light on the wall. I use the viral tape to measure to get the holes at the back of the mirror in place.
This lake, stars are in line. I'm posted, lay with me in the moonlight. I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Wow, baby, got a hold on it. Let love unfold tonight. tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lie, so bear with it. Yeah, we can let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared for it. Instead of love out loud, since we ain't going nowhere. So tonight, baby, meet me. Time is right, so right. Our romance to be. Can't deny. I love the things you do. Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. Time to pull the drop tops out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. We've been keeping it in the house. Netflix and chillin', I GDM'in', yeah. Didn't wanna share my love till I found someone I'm sure of. Young and untamed, I've been out of range, keeping it low, but I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Wow, baby, got a hold on it. Let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold.
Now all wall hangings are done, so let's get decorating the space. All right, so bringing in this beautiful buffet. I really love the glazed glass from Amazon. This is so new to me. It's beautiful. And I'm going in with some greenery to the corner. Okay, for an accent rag, I'm laying this beauty from Wayfarer. And I will be sticking tape at the edges just to help secure it in place.
Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. I'm a good catch, but I never let them catch me. No, I never let them claim me. Wild thing try to tame me.
All right, bringing in now is this gorgeous bar cart that flows perfectly with a dining table and chairs, which you guys will see in a few minutes. All right, to take the cart to another level, I will be adding a small floral arrangement, Welsh sparkling drinks, a gorgeous bike-like wine holder exclusively from my Decor.us, and an ice bucket from HomeGoods last year during the Thanksgiving. And the cart will call it a day. Alright, I'm about to style the buffet table, so I'm going ahead to wipe the mirror from any fingerprints.
Open air, side by side we sway there in all the colors. Summer lonesome dove, folded on the lawn chair in all the colors. Summer love.
And coming in now is this stunning vase with cherry blossoms, all from my Decor.us.
When the garden won't stop giving back.
Love the storage boxes with a sitting sculpture from HomeGoods, and I'll be laying that in the middle. How gorgeous are they? Everything is blending in together, and I love it. I Love the color scheme, color combination. Let's keep going. For a riser, I'll be using this two openable storage box, decorative storage box from my DazzlingDecor.com, and I'll set this beautiful taper candle holders from, I believe it was from Ross, on top of it. And the buffet table will also call it a day. How beautiful. All of them are looking so gorgeous together. I'm so glad. Beautiful. Stunning.
Remember the lazy river day canoe, bathing in the turquoise blue, losing track of time with you. Another beach pie sunset.
Coming in now is my beautiful niece who is helping me carry the dining table. I will be adding the dining chairs.
That's sure something I could use. A cure for the air conditioning blues.
I arrange a few of one of my favorite snowball hydrangeas in one of our bestseller white and gold striped vase.
You say take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me every night. When I close
And voila!
I see.
Introducing our stylish DIY dining room upgrade using these wooden slats to create a custom accent wall that adds warmth and texture to the space. What do you guys think? A chic wall cart setup and a beautiful wall hangings to create a cozy yet modern entertaining corner. I love this transformation so much. It definitely brings a touch of luxury and personality into the dining area. A perfect way for hosting or just, enjoying a quiet evening with your family at home. I hope this project inspires you guys to make a bold yet simple changes in your homes. And don't forget, creating a space you love doesn't have to break the bank, family. It's just a bit of creativity, lots of love. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more Dazzling Decor videos. Like, share, and comment. And until I come your way next time, family, please always remember that you are fearfully and wonderfully made. I love you all so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for coming. Bye-bye.
It's gonna take some time, but